Okay, in this video, we will be looking at approving invoices that have been electronically routed using Construction Imaging's Invoice Router. If you have been following along in our series in the Route Invoice section, we routed 3 invoices to Larry M. And now we're logged in as Larry, and we're going to review the invoices that are waiting for us. And we're going to select the 3 that were sent to us. So you'll notice that they open up one behind each other. There they are. And the first one appears on the screen, the information below. As you would normally check the invoice for the information that's on it. If I have to review a purchase order with it, I can bring that purchase order up on the screen by clicking the Search for PO button. And I can see here that the 3 items that are on the invoice are on the purchase order. So now I can code that invoice using information brought over from Timberline. So if I want to look at the cost codes that are available for this job using the demo database in Timberline. So I'm just going to select some items. Can distribute the information appropriately. You can see that the amount remaining changes. Go back to that cost code list. Pick something different. And we will just say my amount remaining goes to 0, and I can approve this invoice by putting a stamp on it and then clicking the green check mark to send it to the next person for approval or back to accounts payable to be entered. The next image appears, the information fills in. If I want to search for that purchase order, I'll do it in the same manner. There it is. If I want to review both of them, I can do that by looking at them this way. When I'm ready to code the invoice, I can close the purchase order and enter the information just as I did before in the cost code fields. Enter my approval stamp and send it off to the next person or accounts payable. The last invoice appears. I can search for the purchase order. I can split the screen horizontally this time, so I can see my line items. They match, the purchase order and the invoice match. Enter my line. If you know the cost code information, you can just type it in. You don't have to select from the list. Add my rubber stamp and approve it.